Products you don't need to splurge your money on, part 2. If you guys didn't see the first one, go back to my previous video. Third is retinol, especially if you are a beginner. If you're a beginner, your skin needs time to readjust to retinol. So just because social media and TikTok is telling you that you need retinol doesn't mean that you have to run out the door and get like an expensive retinol. Start out with a very beginner retinol. I really like this one from Coco Kind, and then kind of gradually adjust your skin up to the level where you can actually handle some more higher percentages of retinol instead of going for the stronger ones then irritating your skin. Trust me, if that happens, you're gonna have to spend a lot more money to heal your skin. Fourth is shampoo. And I understand that we all have different hair needs. However, why are we spending so much money on shampoo? I used to do that, and there actually is one luxury shampoo that I love, but I hesitate to even recommend that because there's so many great options out there. Like, try Korean shampoos. And my mom introduced me to this shampoo from Korea. It's from 107, and after using this, my scalp actually feels so clean that I'm like, why am I recommending all of these expensive shampoos to my followers? Like, try Korean shampoos.